So the first one is gonna be the Sintered Stone material.
So the first countertops that I recommend is gonna be the Sintered Stone. So what actually is Sintered Stone? Sintered Stone is a man-made material created through a process called sintering, where natural minerals are subjected to high pressure and temperature over 1200 Celsius to form a dense compact surface. And the price range from Sintered Stone is gonna start from 250 ringgit per feet. Okay, so for the key features, firstly, it has a durability. It is extremely resistant to scratches, impacts, stains and UV rays. Nonetheless, it is always heat resistant. It can withstand extreme temperatures, so placing hot pots and pans directly on the surface won't damage it. Thirdly, the non-porous ability. The surface is highly resistant to liquids, making it easy to clean and hygienic. Last but not least, it's very aesthetic, available in wide variety of design, mimicking natural materials like marbles and granite. And that's the Sintered Stone for you.
So the second one is going to be the Quartz Stone material.
Okay, secondly, when it comes to Quartz Stone countertops are engineered for about 90 to 95% ground natural quartz mixed with resins, polymers and pigments. The result is a non-porous and highly durable surface. So the price for Quartz Stone start with 180 ringgit per feet. Again, for its key features, firstly, the non-porous. Unlike natural stones, quartz is non-porous, which means it resists staining and doesn't require sealing. This makes a low maintenance option like Sintered Stone. The other thing is that it is very consistent in appearance. Quartz is engineered, it has more uniform color and pattern option compared to natural stones like granite or marble. And of course, the durability of quartz countertops are highly resistant to scratches, chips and cracks. And the hygienic, because it's non-porous, it doesn't have bacteria, making it very sanitary and doesn't harbor bacteria. Last but not least, the customization also very good, available in wide range of color and patterns for your quartz countertops. Please take into consideration that quartz is not completely resistant to heat or UV light, so exposure to direct sunlight over time might cause a discoloration.
And the third one is gonna be the marble stone material.
When it comes to marble, what actually is marble? So marble is a natural stone prized for its beauty and elegance, formed from limestone under high pressure and heat. So for the price range, it minimum at least gonna range from 280 ringgit per feet. So for the key features, again, it's very cool, very unique. The aesthetic appeal. Known for its luxurious and timeless look, marble is often used in high-end kitchens. Its veneering and natural beauty are hard to replicate with other materials. Another one is the cool surfaces. Marble remains naturally cool, making it ideal for baking and pastry work. Last but not least, the uniqueness of the natural beauty. Marble comes in variety colors and patterns, with all of the patterns are unique with their own kind of veins and lines, with some of the most popular types being Carrara and Calacata.
So the fourth one is gonna be the granite stone material.
So for the second natural stone, which is the granite, this is my personal favorite. Okay, so granite is a natural ingenious rock composed primarily of quartz, feldspar and mica. It's one of the most popular choices for countertops due to its durability and natural beauty. So the price range is as similar as the marble stone, which is the 200 ringgit per feet minimum. So the key features, of course, the durability. Granite is extremely hard and durable, making it resistant to scratches, heat and everyday wear and tear. Next, the unique patterns. Similar to marble, since it's natural stone, every slab of granite has a unique pattern and color. And the heat and stain resistant. Granite is highly heat resistant when properly sealed, offer good protection against heavy cooking. Last but not least, the variety of colors. Granite comes in wide range of colors and patterns, making it versatile for many kitchen designs. And of course, the downside is gonna be the granite needs to be sealed regularly to maintain its resistance to stain, since it's a natural stone style.
The KompacPlus material.
So when it comes to KompacPlus, it is a high density composite material made from layers of craft paper impregnated with resin, fused together under high pressures and temperature. It is a more recent innovation designed to provide a slim, versatile and durable surface. So for its key features, firstly, the slim profile. KompacPlus is usually 6 mm thick, offering a sleek, modern appearance, and is often used in contemporary kitchens where slim countertops are desirable. Secondly, the durability. Despite its slim profile, KompacPlus is scratch resistant, water resistant, and even heat resistant. Thirdly, the non-porous. Like Quartz and Sintered Stone, KompacPlus is also non-porous, which means it doesn't absorb liquids and make it easy to clean. Last but not least, the lightweight. It is much lighter than stone or other composite material, which makes it very easy to install and require much less support from cabinetry. And that's the KompacPlus for you.
For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.